If you've been feeling stuck, repeating the same cycles over and over, exhausted, frustrated, wondering why nothing ever truly satisfies you. Maybe you have had a significant other that has cheated and you find yourself in the same relationship with a different person. Or perhaps you are the cheater and don't even understand why you're doing what you're doing. If you struggle with finances or relationships, then this message is for you. I wasn't looking for answers in a book. I was just sitting quietly, like I do every morning, asking the Holy Spirit to teach me. She led me to open A New Earth by Eckhart Tolle. And the words jumped off the page. This is how Spirit guides me. The real reason you're miserable. Ego patterns. The ego is the false self, and it's loud. It wants to stand out. It desperately wants to be special, to be in control, to be superior. It's always needing attention, power, recognition, and even when it gets it, it's never enough. The ego feeds off lack. It whispers, not enough yet. It craves more love, more success, more validation, but it's a bottomless pit. That's why you can have it all and still feel miserable, because the one who's receiving it isn't the real you. And to quote Eckhart Tolle, only the truth of who you are, if realized, will set you free. It's not your fault. It's the system you're trapped in. You've been programmed to live from the ego. From the moment you were born, the world taught you to measure your worth by how much you have, how much you know, how much people like you. The world judges by hair color, height, skin color, and pretty much anything our eyes can see. So, of course, you're exhausted. You're trying to feed a system that was never meant to be satisfied. But here's the beautiful part. You don't have to fight it. You don't have to fix the ego. You don't even have to understand it all. I didn't. The Holy Spirit's way out. I went through the process over the past 10 years of clearing old trauma and reprogramming the lies and half-truths I had once believed. It took years to peel back the layers and dismantle the programming piece by piece. And just when I thought I had overcome an issue or wound, I would have more clearing to do. So as I sat with this understanding, I was asking Holy Spirit, how do I teach this? She had me open The Heart of A Course in Miracles, which is a book that helps explain the very deep A Course in Miracles. And there on the exact page I turned to, I found the next step. It was simple, almost too simple. She said, ask me to show you differently. The miracle is not about fixing yourself. It's about giving your thoughts, your fears, your perceptions to the Holy Spirit and letting her reinterpret them in truth. You don't have to be a mystic or a psychic or hear downloads from archangels or anyone else. You just have to humble yourself and admit that you need help. not from religious systems, from within yourself. Start with meditation. Just go within yourself, and in there, in the midst of the quiet, you will find the answers. You don't need to heal the wound yourself. You just have to say, Holy Spirit, I give this to you. Show me another way. That's the miracle, the shift from fear to love, from ego to spirit. There's tons of so-called spiritual gurus out here telling you different ways to raise your frequency. Some even say you can do this instantly if you just do the things they are telling you to do. It doesn't work that way. It took your whole life, or even lifetimes, to get to where you are today. And you can't delete the negative overnight. It takes time. And just when you think you're at the finish line, you realize you're just at the beginning of another level. But to get to the finish line, you have to start. This isn't about religion. This is about being free. Free from cycles, free from fear, free from trying to fill that void that never feels full. Free from pretending to be someone you're not. I didn't invent this. I was simply taught, day by day, by the Spirit who speaks to all of us. So, if you're tired, ask her. Sit still. Let her show you. That's what changed my life. And it can change yours too. Let me know in the comments if you're ready to see differently. And if this message helped you, share it with someone who needs freedom too. If you want to go deeper in your spiritual walk but need help, contact me for one-on-one coaching. The information is in the description box. Until next time, be blessed. Namaste.